What's going on, guys? Julian here, J-Lewis Trading, doing a quick market recap with what I was looking at today. So, relatively interesting day, kind of busy, pretty interesting mix of stocks that I was looking at that I missed getting into. So there's some missed opportunities. I had one stock that I was looking to short that went against me. I got stopped out. And then there was another stock that I was looking at that I got in and had a very, very quick scalp. There was almost no follow through. Got in, got out. I'm going to go over all of them very, very quickly. First one is going to be PIXY. This was a stock that we're looking at. This is one of the ones that I missed first thing in the morning. What I was looking at right through here was pre-market high. Price action came back in the range. You can see that we actually created a little bit of consolidation all the way through here. And then it was in this little area right through here that price action broke above that 286 resistance level, pulled back, retested, held that 9-day exponential moving average, and bounced. Missed it. Called it, but missed it. I just wasn't focused on this little turn right through here. And so, you know, it kind of is what it is. On the other side of things, ATOS, this was something also that I was looking at. There was a range right through here. You can see that we were set right through here. Price action broke out, pulled back. Same effective setup. The momentum was there. I missed that one as well, and you can see that it faded on into the end of the day. VXRT, this is the one that I actually scalped very, very quickly. I saw that this thing was failing, so I jumped out. We got to actually go back all the way back through here and look at this level of resistance right through here. So we get this double top. Price action comes back in the range. You can see pre-market, it breaks out and pulls back. What I was looking at here, and I got in a little bit early. I'm going to do a full video review on this one later. But it set this high, pulled back into its range, and then right at the bell, this thing skyrocketed. I'm already in at this point. It's pushing, pushing, pushing. It's not doing anything. It's losing a lot of steam. And you can actually see that we get what is, better known as a failed flag. And so the flag was there. The pre-market movement was there, but there was zero follow-through on this stock. And so I had to take profits pretty quick. I think I was in around 997, out around the 1030 mark. So there wasn't a lot there on this trade. It was a very quick scalp. I was looking for a target up through here. It was just a bit higher than, I think it was like 1105 I was looking at, and just couldn't get there. Pardon me. So on the way back down, I had to get out of this thing, and that was VXRT. Now, that was the trade that worked out. So at this point in time, I've missed a couple stocks. I hit this one very, very quickly right out of the gate. And then the short that I was looking at, which regrettably did not work out, was BTU. And we are right through here. Now, BTU was a bit of a pain in the ass. You can see that if we go back a little bit, we've got this level down through here. So to me, that's important. We break above, we hold. That level is important. Price action rallies. And then today, it gaps down and it retests that level. A little bit of a dead cat bounce. And then as it's cutting through, I'm getting short. So this is an important level. This is an important level that breaks down. It comes right back down to this lower level. So we get an effective triple bottom. We rally back into that breakdown level right through here. And so, and I said this in chat, that if this level doesn't hold, I got to get out, because who knows how far this thing could rally. The idea was it bounces, breaks down, rallies back up into that level, holds, and then drops down to a lower target that I had. That didn't happen. What effectively happened was this thing bounced down, tested both levels, cracked that level, held this level, came back in, retested, pulled back, and we had a bull flag that went through. And so I got stopped out on that particular stock, and that is BTU. So, you know, decent day, net positive. Not a lot was traded on this side. And this was an options trade, by the way. This is an optionable stock, as you can see right through here. Relatively liquid. There was a lot of volume on the put side. Spreads sucked a little bit, but still took a run at it. And I was just focused on the price action. Had the thing broken down. These 65-cent puts that I bought very well could have rallied into a $1.20. So the risk totally made sense. I think at the end of the day, I think I lost about 10 cents on that 65-cent contract. So not a huge deal. Anyways, that is a recap. I'm going to go back into the lower float long stocks that I missed. I'm going to do a full video review, and I'm going to put that in the chat room for everybody. So if you're watching this, hold out for that. We'll see you tonight in the webinar. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.